Right, I'm off the cars for a bit. Got to sort this washing machine out. We haven't had it long. We've got a second hand, like, got it given. Let's see the one packed up. Doesn't pump the water out. So I drained it. You can see it's got a drain on this, which was handy because it was absolutely full. So I've drained it all clearly so I'll get the washing out. It's just the one that we use for like my garage clothes and the our lass's horse stuff. So yeah, I drained it. I'd undone the pump plug, expecting to see a load of crap in there what was blocking it, but there was nothing. It's clean as a whistle. So I think it might just be the pump itself shot. But anyway, I'm gonna pull it out, tip it upside down, or certainly on its side, and just have a little look at the pump and see if it's something I can fix, or I might have to get a second-hand pump. Dilly dilly. Right, so it's on its back. Obviously disconnected all the pipes and everything. It's just there was 3 screws in here, held these on, took them off. You see inside the pump there, it's not looking overly good. Well, it is and it isn't. I think it is just blocked, but it looks like a seal's come off, so it can't create a pumping action. However, so I've undone the 2 screws, just twisted. That'll drop off. There's an electrical connection goes on the bottom, which I've took off already, which is where my thumb is. That just pulls out little. It's only a 2-pin connector. So I've just got to take the clamps off now. That's for the water coming out of the drum into the pump, pumps it round, pushes it out. So I'll just take these connectors off now, and then I can get this pump on the bench and just have a closer look. Dilly dilly. Right, so one pump. So we can see there, it's just attached to the actual motor just by some tabs. So you just need to twist this off now. So I'll just I've got nowhere to put my phone, man. Well, yeah, I'm not very well prepared here. There we go. So just hopefully twist this off one way or t'other. There we go. And out it comes. Right, so yeah. So that doesn't look like a seal. Or is it? Don't know what that is. But that doesn't belong in there, I'm sure. Got all water over there now. Do you know what? I think that's all it was. I'm going to connect some power up to this now and see if this spins, and hopefully that'll be it. It will have just been that, blocking it up. Right, test and adjust and get it back together. Hopefully that was it. Quite simple. Dilly dilly. Well, the moment of truth. I've just put it on rinse there now, so just so it fills up with water. And then I can put it on drain and spin and see if it pumps it out. I think that'll do for that, so I'll switch it off. Cancel, press and hold. Simple things. Right, so that's it cancelled. Here we go, and drain and spin. Start. We're hoping this will pump out. Oh, yeah, man. Referee, start pumping out. Right, watch him paint dry. Oh, we. Just talk amongst yourselves. What's the weather like? Have you been busy? It's taking the water out of me. Hey! I hope it does. Come on, it's got to be this one. Drain. As soon as I stop the video, it'll start draining, so I'm gonna have to keep it going. Must get my nails done. Tom Thumb? No. Oh! Telling you, man. 2 minutes 18, this has been going on now. About the whole video. You wouldn't credit it. Right, when that gets to 20. Yeah, you can't even say it there. It's 21. Here we go. It's pumping out. I can hear it. Yes. There she goes. Is it pumping out? Right, it must be. I can hear it. Get on, look at that, man. It's disappeared. Right, that was it. Our lass will be happy. Good deed of mine done there. Dilly dilly. Ah, got my garage gear in. Snooze you lose.
What are you looking at?
What?
What are you looking at?